IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4 is a 32-bit IP addressing. 32-bit IP addressing means we will get 2 power 32 IP addresses with IP version 4, which is equal to 4.3 billion IP addresses. So this IP version 4, it was deployed in 1980s, and at that time 4.3 billion IP addresses were more than enough. But the network was growing very fast, and it was realized that there will be a shortage of IP addresses one day, and scientists have started working on the solution, and the solution is IP version 6. In IP version 4, the IP address has 4 portions. Each portion is separated by dot. So in this example, we have one IP address 192.160.7.1. If you see here, it is having 4 portions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each portion is separated by dot here. If you take some more example, we have 192.168.1.1. Okay, this IP address is assigned to this computer, and it is having 4 portions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each portion is separated by dot here. And it has 32 bits. So each IP address has 32 bits. So if you configure the IP address to any computer, the computer will convert the IP address into binary numbers. Binary numbers means zeros and ones. Okay, so this is the decimal number. Decimal number means 0 to 9. And we configure the IP address in decimal format, and computers convert the decimal IP address into binary numbers. So 192 will be converted to binary numbers, and it will be like 2 ones and 6 zeros. If you see, it is having 8 bits here. 160 will be converted to binary numbers, and the binary number of 160 will be 101 and 5 zeros, and it is having 8 bits. And 7 will be converted into binary numbers, and the binary number of 7 will be 5 zeros and 3 ones, and it is also having 8 bits. Then 1 will be converted into binary numbers, and it is having 7 zeros and 1. Again, the fourth portion is having 8 bits here. So if you add 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8, 32. So you will get 32 bits here in each IP address.